Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to learn about rule number 2 of indices. So let's start. When we have same numbers with the same basis like this m and n, this will become a is equals to m minus n. So this is the second rule of indices. Don't get confused as we are gonna solve some examples related to this rule so you can easily understand. The first example is 2 to the power 6 over 2 to the power 4. So this will become 2 as you can see that the bases are same. 2 is in the numerator and 2 is also in the denominator, and the sign between them is of division, but the powers you can see are different, and these powers are gonna subtract as the sign between them is division, as uh, we previously learned the second rule. So let's solve. 6 minus 4, 2 6 minus 4 is 2, so the final answer will be 4. So let's get into a second example. First we will write the rule that we have learned is a to the power m divided is when divided by another number with same base and different powers, it will become the powers will get subtracted from each other. So now solve this. So now solve this. 2 to the power 7 is divided by 2 to the power 4. This is we can make it easy by writing like this: 2 to the power 7 is divided by 2 to the power 4. Now we can see the bases are same again and the powers are different, and the sign between them is division, this. So we will write this as 2 7 minus 4. So this will become 2 to the power 3, which is equals to 8, and the final answer is 8. Now we will move on to third example. That is 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 square. So now first write the rule that we have learned: a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. So now solve this. 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power square is equals to 5 to the power 6 minus 2. That's equal to 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 5 to the power 4 is 625. So this will be our final answer. So always remember that whenever we will have same basis plus division sign, this means that we have to subtract the indices. Simple as that. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson we'll learn what happens when a power is raised to another power. See you in the next video.